Starting off with the first camera and probably the most value for money dash camera in the world right now. I'm talking about the Redtiger F77, coming in at a price of about 24 to 25,000 rupees and probably much lesser in this Amazon sale. You get two 4K cameras with two STARVIS-2 flagship sensors, that is STARVIS-2 IMX678. Along with it, this camera also supports a touchscreen, gets voice control, gets 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, gets a 4-inch display, supports Redtiger app, and also supports optional parking monitoring. Now, this camera also gets built-in 128 GB storage, which can give you up to 4 to 5 hours worth of storage time. I have made extensive review video on the Redtiger F77. I would recommend going and checking that video out before you actually decide on purchasing this dash cam. But considering the price and considering the features this offers, there is no rival to the F77. This is arguably the king of value for money dash cameras right there. And if you do purchase using my affiliate link directly from the Redtiger website, you can also get a free hardwire kit along with the dash camera. So make sure to purchase using my affiliate link, and of course the Amazon link will also be provided down below. So moving on to the next dash cam. Now this too comes at a similar price point of 24 to 25,000. And is probably one of the most value for money triple channel dash cams out there. I'm talking about the Wolfbox X5 STARVIS-2 back triple channel dash camera. I've reviewed it on my channel and I found this camera to be super good and a super value for money prospect, because this gives you 3 cameras, and especially the interior or the cabin camera is really good. The kind of field of view the interior camera provides, I'm just so happy just to take a look at the footage from the cabin camera of the Wolfbox X5. That being said, the front camera offers you a native 4K resolution backed with a STARVIS-2 IMX678, and also the rear camera offers you a quad HD resolution, wherein the most other triple channel dash cams offer you just a 1080p one. So overall, this would be the cheapest triple channel dash cam which can offer you native 4K resolution along with the STARVIS-2 sensor. So if you have a budget of about 25,000 and if you want some higher coverage around the car and you want a cabin camera as well, the Wolfbox X5 would definitely be a close your eyes and pick up camera deal. That being said, moving on to the next dash cam. Now this too comes at a similar price range of 24 to 25,000, and I'm talking about the Viofo A229 Plus dual channel variant. So this is a dual channel setup offering you a quad HD front and a quad HD rear camera. But the thing about the Viofo cameras is that they have been a pioneer in providing STARVIS-2 sensors in both front cameras and the rear cameras, and probably the A229 Plus series was the first one to provide you a dual STARVIS-2 setup, along with the fact that Viofo offers some of the most advanced parking monitoring features and some of the best video qualities that is available out there. Along with the fact that Viofo also offers you a full 2-year warranty on the dash camera along with 1-year warranty on the accessories. You also get some additional super cool accessories such as CPL filters for both front and the rear camera, and even of course you get a Viofo remote using which you can control the camera. Now there are several other features of this Viofo camera which are really good, and probably no other dashcam brand might offer that. So if you want some premiumness, if you want some top-notch quality, and if you are expecting a high level of warranty and a good service support in India, the Viofo A229 Plus dual channel variant should be your definite choice. Moving on to the next option, similarly coming in at a same price range of 25,000, I'm talking about the Wolfbox G900 Pro. Now this is a mirror dash cam and the cheapest one, which offers you a native 4K resolution backed with a STARVIS-2 IMX678. This camera also gives you a rear 2.5K resolution, gets a 128 GB card inside. It gives you voice control, gives 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, supports GPS loop recording, and also supports G sensor based recording. Now I recently bought out a quick review of the G900 Pro. I really got a short time in playing around with this camera, and of course I'll be bringing up a detailed review as soon as this Amazon sale ends. But that being said, if you're someone who preferably wants to have a large display as your dash camera and you want some reverse camera assistance along with providing you the best possible dash cam video footage quality, the G900 Pro coming in at a price of 25,000 would definitely be your ideal choice. The quality of the display is really good, the user interface is really super smooth, and this is probably one of the best mirror cameras that I've seen out there. That being said, moving on a bit further away from the 25,000 segment, let's go a bit step higher. I'm talking about the Viofo A229 Plus triple channel variant. Now in this, this is basically similar to the dual channel variant, no difference in that, but in the triple channel variant you get an extra cabin camera which again supports a STARVIS sensor, not the STARVIS-2 but the previous gen STARVIS sensor. No other dashcam offers a STARVIS sensor in the cabin camera, do note that. It does shoot 1080p resolution and provides you some of the best possible footage. It also gets IR lights for nighttime cabin recording. So practically the same camera, which is the Viofo A229 Plus Dual, with an extra cabin camera, coming in at a price of about 29 to 30,000 rupees. So if you're someone who is looking for complete coverage around the car, wants the best possible video quality from the front, rear and the cabin camera, and wants the top-notch parking monitoring features, the Viofo A229 Plus at a price of about 29,000 would definitely be your ideal choice. That being said, if you find the quad history resolution of the A229 Plus just not enough for your requirement, you can shift to the Viofo A229 Pro, the elder sibling of the A229 Plus, which was, should I say, the king of dash cameras for a certain period of time. Now this camera offers native 4K resolution backed with a STARVIS-2 sensor and also offers a quad HD resolution at the rear camera. But coming in at a price of about 29,000, you get the front only variant. So with this camera, you can always do is purchase a rear camera separately later on if you are financially very constrained. You can also purchase an interior camera even later on whenever your financials are free. And of course, you can convert your existing single channel into a dual or a triple channel one whenever you require or according to your convenience. That's the kind of flexibility, that's the kind of convenience these Viofo cameras offer. So considering the Viofo A229 Pro is also a super good deal because this is one of the finest and should I say the best dash camera in the world, right up to the line of the Viofo A329. The video quality of this camera is simply flawless and you won't be able to find any issue, any problem with the kind of quality the dash camera is made up of and even the quality the video is shot in. Do consider the Viofo A229 Pro and also do note that if you do purchase using my affiliate link directly from the Viofo website, you can get additional 1000 rupee discount if you purchase directly by paying via UPI. Moving on to slightly higher budget range, coming in at a price of about 35,000 rupees, the latest dual STARVIS-2 sensor camera to be launched from 70mm and their most premium model. I'm talking about the 70mm Omni 4K X800. Now this camera is very unique. In what sense? Because this gets a 360-degree rotatable design. No other camera has that. You can practically make the camera lens turn towards the cabin, turn towards the left or right side of the car, whichever direction you want. And not just that, you can also make the camera track any people who are approaching the car when the car is parked. Now, of course, this would require a separate hardware kit, but still this feature which is called as the AI motion detection, automatically detects any persons who are approaching the car and even rotates the camera along with the motion of the people. So this is a very unique feature and this is an unseen feature from any other dash camera because most other cameras have a fixed perspective. The Omni 4K does not. It rotates, it turns around and gives you a mobile or a dynamic perspective of the surrounding of the car along with any persons who are trying to approach or do some damage to your car. The front camera shoots 4K resolution with a STARVIS-2 IMX678 and the rear camera shoots in a full HD resolution using the IMX662 sensor. This camera also gets a free memory card inside the box. So if you have a budget of about 35,000 rupees and you want a dynamic perspective, you want a 360-degree rotatable design of your camera, you want to shoot the cabin of the car, you want to shoot the exterior of the car, and you want the footage to be in a top-notch 4K resolution, the Omni 4K is and should be your definite one and only choice. Moving on to the next dash cam in this list, I'm talking about the king of dash cameras, coming in at a price of about 34 to 35,000 rupees for the single front only variant. This is the Viofo A329 and this camera has what it takes to reach the pinnacle of dashcam technology. The Viofo A329 can shoot native 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. It has SSD support, basically means you can expand the storage not up to 1 TB, not up to 2 TB, up to 4 terabytes. This camera also gets a HDMI port, which means you can plug in your camera to your smart TV, your monitor, your car screen and stream videos directly to any display which you want. This camera gets Wi-Fi 6 standards and this camera also has tons of other features which I've explained in detail in the review video which I brought up on my channel. So make sure to check out the review video if you are interested in taking a look at the Viofo A329 and coming in at a price of about 34,000 rupees for the front only variant. This is a close your eyes and pick up deal. There is no other camera which is better, or should I say can beat the Viofo A329, because this is simply the king of dash cameras. That being said, if you are buying any Viofo cameras and if you do use my affiliate link and purchase directly from the website, you can get additional 1000 rupee refund if you pay via UPI. Do note that point. Moving on to the next dash cam in this list, this one is the coverage king, and I'm talking about the Vantrue N5 quad channel dash camera. If this camera gets 4 different cameras, the front, the rear, the cabin and the rear cabin camera. This is simply unheard of. The cabin is covered from both front and the rear of the car, giving you nearly 360-degree plus coverage surrounding the car. And of course, Vantrue is always known for its reliability, known for its top-notch quality. And of course, specifically, I like the camera because of its large display, ease of use, and even the kind of presence this dash camera has within your car. Similar to other popular brands, this camera also offers the top-notch features and all the standard bells and whistles which you might expect from a camera at this budget range. So specifically, if you are focused on recording the cabin of your car and don't want to miss any particular angle of the cabin, having the Vantrue N5 4-channel dashcam would definitely be a helpful choice for you. So this camera generally trends at about 36 to 37,000 rupees, and you might get it at a slightly lesser price on Amazon right now. So do make sure to check out the current price by using the link in the description below. Coming in at a similar price range of 35,000 rupees, you also have the Viofo A229 Pro dual channel, the previous king of dash cameras. Now we just spoke about the Viofo A229 Pro front only variant. This just adds in the rear camera to it, which is a quad HD resolution STARVIS-2 back camera. So the Viofo A229 Pro coming in at a price of about 33 to 34,000 rupees, offering you the best possible features you can ever get in a dash cam and the best possible parking monitoring features you can ever get in a dash cam. The A229 Pro is simply an ideal choice if you have no limits on the kind of budget you want to spend on a dash cam and you want the best of what's available out there. The detailed review video which I have done on my channel covers all the aspects, covers all the features of this camera, and if you can check that out, I've given the link in the description below. That being said, at a slightly higher price of about 36 to 37,000 rupees, you also get the Vantrue N4 Pro, which also shoots a native 4K resolution with a STARVIS-2 sensor. Now this is a triple channel setup but slightly pricier compared to most of the other brands, but I do think you get a better options in terms of triple channel variant compared to the Vantrue N4 Pro. But do make sure to check out the N4 Pro as well if you just want to take a look at the features and the kind of quality this camera provides as well. Moving on to the next and the last few cameras in this list. Now these represent the best of what's available out there, and I'm talking about the Viofo A229 Pro Triple channel and the Viofo A329 Dual channel. Now both the cameras are exactly the same, pretty much the same, but there are certain differences between the A229 Pro and the A329. Whereas the A229 Pro can shoot 4K at 30 FPS, the Viofo A329 can shoot 4K at 60 FPS. Of course, the A329 also gets the SSD card support and the HDMI support and a few more extra features, but what it doesn't get is a cabin camera. So if you're someone who is interested in getting the cabin camera and wants to record the cabin of the car, wants basically a triple channel setup, the Viofo A229 Pro Triple channel coming in at a price of 39 to 40,000 rupees should be your ideal choice for that top-notch performance. But if you're someone who is not bothered about cabin recording, who just wants to record the front and the rear of the car, but wants everything else a dash cam can ever offer to you, the Viofo A329, the king of dash cameras, is your ideal choice. And of course, do note that since these are Viofo cameras, you can get my affiliate links right down below in the description, along with a 1,000 rupee refund if you do purchase using that link and pay via UPI. Now both these cameras are simply the best, and you might be happy to know that my go-to camera, my personal preference, the camera which I am currently using in my car, is a Viofo A329 Dual Channel 1. That says a lot about this camera now, doesn't it? Now this was the list of the top 13 STARVIS-2 cameras, premium STARVIS-2 cameras which have something extra to offer compared to the other budget STARVIS-2 cameras that are present out there. So these cameras represent the best of the best, value for money features, premium features, super premium features, and of course much higher prices. Now do note that all the purchase links have been given in the description below, and of course I'll even provide you the links for their review videos as well. So if you are interested in checking out some review videos of any particular camera, you can find the link down below in the description. And if you do have any queries regarding any of the cameras which I just spoke about, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you did like this video, I'm quite sure you have, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy premium dash cameras in this Amazon sale. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.